Hi friends, if you like my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and hit the bell icon. For Dhal Vada, following are the ingredients. I have got onion, cumin seeds, curry leaves, chilies and cilantro. I have taken dal flour, chana dal flour, into which I will be mixing following ingredients. And I will also be adding water into the mixture. While mixing, I will make sure that the water is not, the paste is not too liquidy. It's very close to pancake batter. You can also add carrot or some mixed vegetable of your choice. It's an option, but I like it this way and so does my family. Look at the consistency. Now I will use a small tablespoon and put the mixture into hot oil. I am using a wok and I will fry it at a low flame. And you can see that it's frying right now, and I will fry them until it's golden brown and turns crispy, just like this. So that's the first lot. I'm doing the second lot right now. It is very healthy and high in protein. Hope you like it, and if you do like this recipe, please do subscribe to my channel, and hope you enjoy the meals that I cook. Thank you.